Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Absolutely, my friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this video because it's this time I know, my friends, people are angry to Dogecoin, and you already know that the price is completely going wrong, my friends. You can see here that the current situation is also negative, but you will feel very happy, believe me, my friends, because in this video I'm talking about the Dogecoin surprise. Dogecoin will surprise you very soon, but you have to wait, my friends. If you wait, and as I told you, my friends, in my every video, that you have to wait. If you have a patience, so you have a profit, my friends, and if you have no patience, nothing you will get in the future. Remember that, my friends. Anyways, before discuss more details about Dogecoin, please, my friends, click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. Hope you all subscribed my channel, my friends. At this time, my friends, the latest price of Dogecoin in the market is 0.316139 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of Dogecoin in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the Dogecoin, so the pricing is going wrong. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the whole changes occur in the Dogecoin is going negative. So at this time, the people are angry to Dogecoin. Why angry? Because they don't take a pump. But now, as I told you, my friends, that you will feel very happy after watching this video. So keep watch, my friends. You know what? That is the common cryptocurrencies rules, that after a falls, there is a jump. And Dogecoin is completely falls down from the previous last 2 days. You can see here on the price chart, that is the last 3 days price chart, and from the last 2 days the price of Dogecoin is completely going falls down. And now after a falls, there is a jump. That is, my friends, the common cryptocurrencies rules. So tomorrow there is a lot of chances to the price pump, and Dogecoin will give you a surprise news. You can see here that the last 3 days pricing is still positive 0.08%, but tomorrow is the huge pump coming soon, so be ready for the pump, my friends. And how was this surprise? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. What is your prediction about Dogecoin? Tell me in the comment box. My prediction is also that Dogecoin will take a jump tomorrow. What do you think? Tell me in the comment box. Please subscribe now.